Good morning. To help keep your guys' brains working and kind of keep you thinking and growing, I'm going to put out some different puzzles that you guys can try from home. Some of them you may need to print out. This one you can really just look at the screen and then kind of jot some work down of your own on a sheet of paper or something like that. But just to kind of get your brain challenged and get it thinking. But I kind of want to talk you through how I would solve something like this, just so you can kind of see how it's done. And then I'm going to attach some additional puzzles that you can try for yourself. So this one is called a sequencer. If you've ever played the game Mastermind with mom or dad or brother or sister, where you're trying to guess the colored code, this is a lot like that, except they've already done the guessing, and we just have to use the clues to try to figure it out. So the idea is, sorry, I had to get my pen working there. My bad. All right, here we go. So here is the idea. We are trying to figure out the 4-color code that is going to be our solution. So it's going to be some combination of red, orange, green, and blue pieces. It could be more than one. It could be not any of those colors. It could repeat things. It could be any combination. But what we have to do is each of these rows up here was somebody's guess. So somebody guessed green, orange, red, red. Here's what they found out. The white one is, let me see here, my color. Oh, there it goes. It got cut off at the top. So anything in the white means that many of these pieces, so 0 of them, are the right color and in the right spot. So what that tells us is that green was here, it's not right. So I know green can't be my first piece. I know orange can't be here because they said it's not right. I know red can't be here, and I know red can't be here because they said none of them were exactly in the right spot. What they did tell me is one of those pieces is the right piece, but I didn't put it in the right spot yet. So maybe it's the green one, but I don't want it here. I want it in one of the other spots. But something important. That means if one of those pieces is the right one, that means 3 of them we don't want at all. So of these 4 pieces, 3 of them aren't even going to be part of our solution when we're all done. So what we do is we keep using our different clues until we can finally start to figure things out. So next row, again, none of them were in the right spot. So I know orange can't be in this spot. I know green can't be in this spot. I know red can't be in this spot. And I know orange can't be in this spot. I'm just eliminating possibilities. Now I'm going to come down to the 4th row, because again, none of them were right. So I know green can't be in that spot. I know orange can't be in that spot. Orange can't be here, but I already knew that. And orange can't be here, already knew that. Now I need to go back and start to piece things together. Notice what just happened down here. Blue is the only thing left. So blue has to go there, and blue has to go there. I've eliminated those possibilities. Sorry, it's still kind of early as I'm recording this, so I need my coffee. But I gotta eliminate 2 more, or I gotta narrow down 2 more. So I'm gonna go back to this 3rd row. It said one of the pieces is exactly right. It's in the right position. Well, is it the red one? Nope, I already know it's not red. Is it the red one here? Nope, I already decided that that one wasn't correct because it didn't work up here, so I know it can't be those here. One of these is the right piece, but it's not in the right spot. Or sorry, one of them is the right piece, but one of them we don't like at all. So that's down to green or red. I'm trying to narrow down those possibilities. So only one of them can be correct. Now we come down here. We're going to kind of piece information together a little bit at a time. Notice in this row, none of the pieces are correct, but one of them is the right piece. It's just not in the right spot yet. Well, notice how I've eliminated orange in all the spots. So could orange be the one that just needs to be tried in a different spot? No, because I tried orange up here and it didn't work. I tried orange here, here, and here, and it didn't work. So I know it can't be orange, so it has to be green. Well, in this row, notice how I tried green. The only spot left for green is right here. So I know green has to go there because I know green is the only one I still need. It's the only one that could be a possibility, but it didn't work here, and it didn't work here, and it didn't work here. So I know green has to be here. I know that's kind of tough. We'll see another one here in a second, but you're just kind of piecing things together. It's not going to flow one right after the other. You're going to have to bounce around a little bit. So I know green is correct, but only one of them was correct, and none of them were the right color in the right spot. So if only one of them can be correct, and green is the one that's correct, red can't be correct. So I can't have red there, so that means I must have had blue there. So my code was blue, green, blue, blue. Now, you're probably looking at me going, that was way too complicated. Yeah, it's tough, but once you get the hang of it and you're willing to kind of keep going back and forth and bouncing around and looking at different ideas, it really isn't too bad. So let's try another one together. Again, my favorite place to look is anywhere I know none of them are correct, because I know those colors cannot be in those places because none of them were correct. So I know I can't have blue, blue, green, green. So blue, blue, green, green. I'm narrowing it down. Next, I know none of these are in the right spots. Orange, red, red, orange. So I can eliminate those because I know they're not correct. Then we try again. Blue, orange, orange, blue. Well, I know those oranges aren't going to work. I know blue can't work. And I had already tried blue up here, and I know that one didn't work. So I'm good there. Now, we start to piece together what we know. Look down here. There's only one color left. Green. There's only one color left. Blue. There's only one color left. Red. So we've eliminated all the rest of the possibilities, so we know what color has to be there. Now look. Green, blue, red. 3 are exactly in the right position. Well, here's the thing. If 3 are in the right position, that means one of them isn't. And we already know that these 3 are the ones in the right position, so we know green isn't in the right position. So green can't go there. Well, that leaves red as my only option. And then one way to go back and check is look at the rest of your clues. None of them are right, but 2 of them I did like. I liked 2 of the pieces, just not their spots. Well, I liked blue, it was just in the wrong spot, and I liked green, it was just in the wrong spot. Here, I liked 2 of the pieces, they just weren't in the right spot. So red I liked, just in a different spot, and red I liked, just in a different spot. Same thing here. Only one of them I liked, the rest of them I didn't like at all. So I don't want 2 blues, and I don't want any oranges, I just want 1 blue, which I had in my solution. All right, hope that helps. I'm going to attach a couple of different ones that you guys can try. When you think you figured them out, email me, and I'll check the answers for you, and then I'll try to get some answer keys up for you later in the day. Good luck.